how to create business page on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to create business page on Twitter. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your Chrome, Safari, or any web browser that you want, and then go to twitter.com. You may also go to your, let's say for example, your cell phone and download the Twitter app and make sure to sign up with, for example, your Google account or your email. So click on sign up with Google and choose the email that you want. And then right here, you should choose your birth date. So for example, you want to put in whatever you want. So this doesn't matter. So make sure that you are above 18 years old so that Twitter won't restrict you to some features. So click on next once you're done. And then you may check or uncheck this one, the track where you see Twitter content across the web. So click on next and then wait for it to load. So your bio, you may type in hello, this is my business page. So you may type in whatever you want and then make sure also to put in encouraging words, some positive words that you want. So make sure to type in your bio and then click on next once you're done. And then you may change your username, and then once you have changed or input your username, you need to add your profile picture as well as your cover photo. So basically, then you have created your business page on Twitter, and then now you may create a um, post with regards to your products, your services, and etc. So that's it. That's how you can create business page on Twitter. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.